Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Now that that's out of the way, the metaverse has 10 winners of its Twitter contest to announce. So they immediately announced that 10 lucky winners had won a ton of stuff. We now have our 10 lucky winners once the lottery has been completed. Congratulations, and prepare to expand your empires on your new territory. Keep reading Shib Army. We'll be releasing the first Rocket Pod teaser in just a few days. So yesterday, they published this. Thus, a few would translate to 3 in a few days. 2 more days remain. Therefore, in the next few days, we should see, their significant announcement for the Rocket Pond, a teaser, and other things. This could cause the price of Shiba Inus to increase. Thus, that is something you might want to think about. Additionally, the Fed will announce the rate hike at a crucial meeting that will take place tomorrow. Additionally, we probably already factored in a disastrous event. Therefore, 25 basis points will likely cause the market to soar, and if interest rates aren't raised, the market will go parabolic. We'll have to wait and see what happens to the Shiba Inu pricing, but I believe the rest of the market will increase anyway. So right here is a list of the 10 people that won amazing prizes in this event. Contest on Twitter for Shibas right now. The Shiba Inu Metaverse team launched the giveaway competition as a means to mark the opening of the Shiba Inu Metaverse official Twitter account. As a result, the team urged members of the Shibarium community to take part in the giveaway by following the account on Twitter and retweeting the news. Thus, it has amassed a sizable following and continues to expand today. The launch of the first Rocket Pond teaser is imminent, which will have a significant impact on Shiba Inu prices. It is noteworthy that Rocket Pond is one of the Shiba Inu Metaverse 11 centers. Various concept artworks for Rocket Pond have been provided by the team, including a black and white sketch and a colored image of the hub, as was previously mentioned. The upcoming teaser will be Rocket Pond's first of its sort. Shiba Inu now has another use case in the metaverse, which is obviously very significant. Shibarium will be on the main network very soon, and the beta version is already available and performing admirably. By the way, this is the ideal time to sign up because it is the first of the month. Remember to click the link below if you want to make some significant money. And the reason is that I wrote a letter yesterday about low pricing points and sent it out. Additionally, a lot of meme coins like Pepe are currently experiencing a boom in popularity. I give out notifications when fresh meme coins are released, as well as when new blue chip tokens are released, or I believe they will soon be. We will soon have a ton of fantastic chances, as you are aware. Let's get outside. We're going to make the most of every single one of them. Let's earn some cash. I'll celebrate because I love you guys so much that today's stock market is positive, and I'll see you in the next one.